Now, the most intensive workshop with the most detailed curriculum is the LPAC. It aims to develop an idea until it is ready for implementation, for the whole process. As example, I will refer to the implementation of a digital citizen service application we developed for the German market. So, let's dive right into it. You get an even more differentiated overview of your solution's audience, fields of action and areas of improvement. On top of this, we will choose one option to be detailed out. After quickly testing several solutions, we shape a high-fidelity prototype over 3 design sprints. We design the system architecture and the data model behind your service. We will look into safety and legal topics around the solution, and we investigate the financial aspects of your solution's implementation and operation. During 3 design sprint weeks, we shape the service, its architecture and financial aspects towards later implementation. So, we'll get a differentiated overview of fields of action and user experience to improve. Find out about your citizens' true needs and desires with our explorative research methods. These will deliver qualitative insights you can analyze and then derive the challenges you want to solve. Let me introduce one tool to improve a given application for your audience. It is called Citizen Journey Mapping. So first, you sketch all stages of interaction citizens run through towards solving a specific task, e.g. when moving houses between different municipalities. The journey map lets you identify gaps or breaks across the whole journey. With this tool, you find out when user interactions are taking place. You can analyze whether they are needed, if they can be supplemented, or just embarrass your audience. And you use all these insights easily to identify areas for improvement. Then, by thoroughly testing and improving your quick prototypes, you will get the data to decide which solution is most promising for further development. Let's have a detailed insight into one option. To build a high-fidelity prototype which is ready for implementation, we bring together different perspectives. A seamless user experience, the structure and interplay of the services behind, and the financial implication it brings. Let's see how we solve that in our city service project. First, we learn from citizens' interviews that a seamless user experience was strongly opted for. Also, many report that they wanted to access their service status on their mobile phones. Second, during the market research, we had identified 2 services, each covering one aspect of a possible solution, but the link was missing between an administration-admitted ID service and a working front-end for citizen services. And the front-end had to be brushed up and streamlined a bit. Combining these services and integrating them seamlessly into one easy-to-use user front-end was a solution many testers appreciated most during the paper prototype iterations. And after 3 design sprints and some integration work, we came up with a working service prototype, including Citizen ID, with an easy-to-use browser and mobile front-end. At the end, we had also sketched out a system architecture and data model for the solution, which is important for the implementation stage later. We also investigated safety and legal topics of the solution, and we could estimate the financial aspects for implementation and operation of the solution. So the output of this format is a clear user group and dedicated persona with all the relevant data points. It's a citizen journey showing spaces for improvement across all stages of a user experience. Iteratively improved prototypes, one built to a high-fidelity prototype ready for implementation, e.g. by integrating existing services from your municipality or the market. It's a design of a system architecture and data model for the implementation of the overall solution. Have an eye of the financial implications for implementation and operation of the solution, and safety and legal evaluation, all together bound into a documentation and final presentation material you can use to promote your solution. Now that you know the 3 options we are offering, you might be curious about how actually kickstart and get going with your smart city projects. We'll show you on the next session.